This morning, we're talking about another record-breaking number of new coronavirus cases in Florida. Yesterday's update of more than 5,500 cases in 24 hours shattered the previous record, which was in the 4,000s. Now, you can see there are more than 109,000 cases statewide. Other states have taken notice of this spike now. Channel 9's Steve Barrett live at Orlando International Airport this morning. Steve, those states say Floridians who want to visit will have to quarantine for 2 weeks.
And Nancy, those restrictions have already gone into effect, really, starting at midnight. And at least one state says that they've got some pretty hefty fines for people who violate these restrictions. For the first time since April, the U.S. reported nearly 35,000 new cases Tuesday. And while the country is doing more testing, hospitalizations are also on the rise in 21 states. Nearly 16% of everyone tested on Tuesday had the virus. Florida's positive tests topped 16% on Saturday.
People coming in from states that have a high infection rate must quarantine for 14 days.
New York's governor is also warning of fines up to $10,000 for multiple violations, $2,000 for the first violation. It's unclear if New Jersey or Connecticut are considering fines, but the restrictions for Floridians have flipped the script since March, when travelers from the New York area were asked to quarantine here. Governor Ron DeSantis commented on the possibility of these restrictions last weekend.
Well, I think governors have, prerogative to do what they need to do. I would just ask if that's done, just please do not quarantine any Floridians in the nursing homes in New York.
Yeah, a little dig there from our governor to other governors up there. There are some exceptions to this. Some essential workers can travel to these states without quarantine. And in New Jersey, they're actually asking that if residents travel to any of the 9 states on the list, when they return home, they quarantine themselves for 14 days. Reporting live at Orlando International Airport, Steve Barrett, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.